Turbo Download Manager 3rd Edition is a piece of software that's a generalized file downloader. However, the only reason I got it is I wanted to download video files. And it contains a lot of extra capabilities, but it has some clear, obvious things like clear failed, clear completed, and add jobs. And you can also hit the detach, which means your download manager goes over here in a separate page with a Mozilla extension sudo URL. That's great. Now here's the problem with it. This, a minute ago, was filled with failed downloads of files I wasn't trying to download that caused an infinite roll of pop-ups demanding I interact with it because it wanted to be a little chatty Cathy. The only way I could get it to shut up was to tell it to cancel literally everything. And this was a minute and a half after I downloaded a video from CBS News. At this point, I'm not going to do the video about that video because CBS News, on a side note, went ahead and re-aged a video from years ago as being recent because that's called clickbait. But we don't call it that when news channels do it. We just call it, good for business. So anyway, how do you clear this unclearable area? I tried for about 5-10 minutes. You have to go to the add-ons manager in Firefox. And yes, the only reason I'm running this isn't because I'm trying to steal anything. It's because CBS News' website won't let me watch a video if I use Firefox. Go figure. So we go here to our triple dot. We hit options, and we get all this. I'm going to clear all of this because none of this is needed. Hit the factory reset button by double-clicking, and then it will clear. As you can see, it seems to have done it. It'll clear this entire listing here. But until then, it will keep a record of every fucking thing you downloaded. Yeah, it keeps track of what you're doing. For legal reasons, their lawyers probably told them, yeah, make sure it always remembers what the user did so that we can't be sued for them downloading stuff from CBS. I want to remind everybody that a news channel that puts up a video that was recorded by perpetrators who stole a subway train in New York, that was the video I was going to do, didn't get paid by CBS News for the video. I know that. And since they're the original authors, there is no way that it can be claimed under copyright, which is the whole point of them refusing to let it download using Firefox. Because they know that I'm not going to use digital rights management. I'm not going to let them have control over it. And all I'm trying to do is just watch the damn video. Again, because their website won't let me use Firefox. Specifically because mine's locked down a little too much. So again, if you're dealing with Turbo Download Manager and you have a file list that you can't clear, you'll have to go to Tools, Add-ons and Themes, and go to Turbo Download Manager, 3rd Edition, or whatever it is. Hit this, hit Options, and again, I have to do this. I must have hit a button wrong. I recommend turning off every feature because I don't trust it anymore. And if you click Saved, it says double-click to reset. You have to factory reset, and that'll remove all of the downloads that it was keeping track of. But then it wants to reset all of the context. So you have to go back here and hit Save. Store media, download media, store image, download image, store link, yada, yada, yada. I don't need any of those. I was just trying to get a video.